Good morning, 7th grade girls. I hope the assembly was good this morning. I'm just doing a quick post for you guys to see what your work is going to be for today, tomorrow, and then on Friday, so you know what to expect. I'll put this up also on Schoology, but here you can see what your assignments are going to be. Today you were to do Module 20, Lesson 3, Maximizing Profit and Efficiency, and Workers Unite, which were two sections in Lesson 3. And then for today in asynchronous, if you didn't finish last night's, you can continue on last night's. I'll be going through that and grading. And then for tomorrow, you could work on that today or tonight. Your assignment is to do the last section of Module 20, Lesson 3, Industrial Workers Labor Strikes. So that if you finish all of that, you'll be done with the entire section in the HMH textbook, which let me show you what we're supposed to be, where we're supposed to be right now. So Module 20, and in your student ebook, you should all be in the industrial age. And if you look at the chapter 20, we should all have done lesson 1 and done the 3 lessons there. We should have done lesson 2, which are the 2 lessons there, or the 2 sections, and then lesson 3, which was maximizing profit, efficiency, workers unite, and labor strikes. And you can go in and do the reviews for each of those. So that is your reading. And tomorrow in class, and for homework, you can go into where it says resource for quizzes, which is due on Friday, and each of them has a lesson with a PDF. So for the first lesson, you can go in here and you can see that there's a lot of terms and people that you're going to need to know, and certain questions that will be, need to know who Alexander Graham Bell is, Orville and Wilbur Wright, Thomas Alva Edison. So the people who you learned about in those chapters for each of those will be there, and then lesson 2 will be there as well. So you can see if you click on that, that will take you to the main term. So everything that you need to know will be on one of these 3 sheets, and then lesson 3. So if you go through lesson 3, after you finish today, this will get you up to all the things that we need to know for the quiz. And then we'll do a review tomorrow in class, and then you'll have some other resources that you can use to review for the quiz. So on Friday, going to our schedule here in Schoology, on Friday we will have our quiz. That'll be during your asynchronous period, so it's not going to be long. It's just assessing you to make sure you know the basic and the general stuff. And that will be during your asynchronous history block, and then I'll grade those. And then this weekend, as I said, I will get you a progress report for everybody showing their progress, what work they've done, what their score was for the quiz, and that. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call or do a Microsoft Teams call, and I look forward to hearing from you all. Take care. Bye-bye.